Want a simple grayscale screen on Android? I'll show 3 quick ways in 1 minute. First, check your Android version by opening Settings and tapping About Phone. If you have Android 10 or later, try bedtime mode inside Digital Wellbeing for a quick grayscale. Open Digital Wellbeing, choose bedtime mode, then tap to configure its settings. Enable bedtime mode and choose grayscale or wind down to apply black and white during scheduled hours. That's the quick way. Next, accessibility provides a persistent grayscale option on many phones. Open accessibility, find color correction or color adjustment in the vision section. Turn color correction on and select monochromacy to remove all color from the display. If color correction isn't available, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. Open developer options, scroll to simulate color space and choose monochromacy as the simulated profile. To revert, open the same setting you used and switch grayscale or monochromacy off. Done. Grayscale is on. Try for focus or reduced blue light. Follow for more clean Android tips.